Greetings from Sri Nanda Bhavan. If you want to see the direct manifestation or Prakat Leela of Krishna, you should come to see the Gopastami festival in Nandagram in Nanda Bhavan. We have a very distinct way of celebrating Sri Gopastami. Every year we decorate two small boys as Krishna and Balaram. They will wear the same dresses of the deities in Nanda Bhavan. They will hold the same cow tending sticks, the silver cow tending sticks of Shri Krishna and Balaram. They will eat in the same silver plates of Krishna and Balaram. And after that, the Achala Swarupa or the deity form which cannot walk will walk today on two lotus feet. They will come out with their Gopa friends and then they will go around the whole area of Nandagram. They will sit on the shoulders of other Gopas, singing, dancing joyfully. In this way, they will go to the place where their cows are tucked in Goshala. They will take their cows from Goshala and they will bring the cows for grazing into the forest. At the end, in the evening, they will have their lunch pastime, which will be sung beautifully by the Goswamis of Nandagram. And then Krishna will take the role of real cowherd boy and he will start calling them back. He will start calling the cows back. Kadamba chadakan bulavat gaya. Krishna goes up a Kadamba tree at Tirkadamba and he calls back the cows home. And later he calls the names of different cows. Kari, Kamar, Dhori, Dhamar, Ab Gharaku Bagadaya. Oh Kari, oh the blackish one, oh the whitish one, oh the yellowish one. Now it's the time to go back home. Now we should go back home. As the sun sets on the western horizon, Krishna calls the cows back. And joyfully, Krishna and Balaram and all the other cowherd boys, they sing up and dance. They joyfully decorate each other with the forest decorations. And then in the evening, two ladies are decorated as Mother Yashoda and Mother Rohini, who are eagerly waiting for Krishna and Balaram to come back from the forest of Braj. Nanda Maharaj also waits, and Nanda Maharaj does a arti out of the camphor to shoo away any negative energy which might have influenced Krishna and Balaram today while they were out in the forest. After that, Mother Rohini and Mother Yashoda, they take those two small boys, Krishna and Balaram, into their laps. They take them inside the altar. Anywhere in the whole Braj area, the ladies are not allowed to enter into the altar. But today, two ladies who play the Swarupa of Mother Yashoda and Mother Rohini will go inside the altar itself and bring whatever they have cooked for their beloved Krishna and Balaram. They will feed them with their own hand. And after that, the Krishna and Balaram, they will drink waters from the same silver cups which are used for the deities. Later on, the prasad which they have honored will be showered to each one of us. We will loot the prasad which they have honored. In this way, in this beautiful way, how it would happen in Dwapar Yuga when Krishna was physically present here, it really happens in the same way in Nanda Bhavan even 5,000 years after. It is said today, Aage gaye, pache gaye, it gaye, ut gaye. In front of Krishna there are cows, in back of Krishna there are cows. On the right there are cows, on the left there are cows. Govind ku gayan mein basavo hi bhave. Krishna likes to run, Krishna likes to play, Krishna likes to take even bath with the cows. So today is the most wonderful, joyful festival for all of us, for the cowherd boys.